Hello queens, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to Uti Hair Lounge, a channel that got you covered for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're loving your beautiful nails and hairs, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, don't make today your last. Do join this family by hitting the subscribe button. Then turn on your bell notification. Okay, in order to get notification immediately we upload a new video in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. To you, my returning viewers, thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. Guys, we will not take it for granted. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for always coming around. God bless you guys, and please keep supporting us and keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you, so that you look elegant whenever you are going out. So my lady, today's video is not an exception, as we have carefully selected most elegant and trending white and pink nail design for my ladies. These nails are so beautiful and especially made for brides to be, or if you have any special occasion to attend, a birthday party, child dedication, wedding, all kinds of events. This is highly recommended because they are looking so classy and stunning. So ensure to watch from beginning to the end so that you select your most loved ones. We have a lot of stunning designs that you definitely fall in love with. Okay, we have the ones with touch of white, we have the one with touch of pink, touch of blue. A lot of beautiful and stunning nails ideas that will definitely blow your mind. So as you watch, do support the channel by hitting the like button. Liking this video will help to reach a wider audience, so please like it. And if you know anybody that is preparing for a wedding, kindly share this video to the person so they can also find their style inspiration. Okay, so in case you're looking for other nails ideas, maybe you have a particular nail color that you're looking for, trust me, we have varieties. We have a lot of beautiful nails idea in this channel. We have blue nails, we have red nails, we have yellow. A lot. Just go check them out. If you're also looking for hairstyles, why not? We got it covered. So just go into our channel and explore more beautiful designs. Thank you so much, my ladies. So watch our video, like, comment and share. God bless you guys, and see you in our next video. Bye.